Okay, guys, das Mustang V2, when you guys know, with a turbocharge. I think it's pushing around 750 horses, and actually no one can go against him. He's very fast. Okay, let's check our races. Because he's...
2.5 upper, 8.66 lower, BTR stage 2 can.
How much power do you think it's making?
Supposed to be 750.
Yeah, that's about 750 horses.
We'll see. Not well.
It's like 38 degrees right now.
28 degrees, that means intake is gonna take more cold air. Okay, that's VS Camaro SS. Camaro. This is Evo, 500 horses. Mitsubishi Evolution is a very nice car, but VS Mustang 2003 with a big turbo, damn, nobody can go against, because it's fast. Yeah, this Corvette got nitros. And when you go about 60, 70 and try take off, of course it's gonna hit nitros on like 150, 200 horses instant. Of course it's gonna beat him from beginning, but on the long way, no way. Do you see? Now he started taking. I mean, this Corvette is probably 2003, 2004. That's actually a nice Corvette, you know. I like our muscle car.
It's a 2 valve 4.6. It's got heads, cams. It's got an S475 turbo. It's a 470 wheel transmission. Right now, it's riding about 10 pounds, making maybe 490 to 505 or so. That's pretty good numbers, man. Yeah, it's putting in work out here. Yeah, it does pretty good for a stock block.
That's what I thinking. Probably I was gonna go for turbo, because supercharge is all on crankshaft. But damn, how he beating RST easy. Even 2003 Mustang with a turbocharge. Okay, this is WRX. Damn, not many cars can go against. No, that's Evo. I'm sorry, guys. But look like WRX. Goodbye, goodbye. Come on, Ned Stangmon, Mustang. Not that you guys don't get me wrong. This I like all cars, all sport cars, but Mustang that's my favorite one. Even I own Audi S5, but Mustang is GT, Coyote. That one isn't Coyote, that's V2 with turbocharged. Mention when you put same thing on my Coyote 2016. It's gonna walk everyone on a VIP company in Florida probably is gonna bring car over there, take 1 week on vacation on to build up VIP doing best job from everybody. Damn, that's good. Nobody can beat him. Probably just spend for this car. He probably spend like just $8,000 to be fast like that. Yeah, guys. You guys see whatever, just would be show up what Mustang can do. You guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned because this Mustang, guys, is not joke. Please hit like, subscribe, hit bell for next video, and guys, be safe. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.